Modi, Macron and AI. Three new forces shaping the future of technology and global governance. But this isn't just another diplomatic handshake. This is about who will lead the AI revolution. And guess what? India just made a big move. At the AI Action Summit in Paris, world leaders gathered to shape the future of AI. And Prime Minister Modi didn't just attend, he co-chaired it. And what was his message? He said that AI is writing the code for humanity. But humans must decide what this code looks like. AI isn't just a technology anymore, it's an arms race. And computers with the most compute power, data and talent will lead. But what about the global south? And what about countries without billion-dollar AI labs or access to cutting-edge chips? Modi made it clear. AI shouldn't just be for a handful of nations. AI must work for the world's farmers, students and small businesses. Open source AI, unbiased data and transparent systems are the way forward. In his words, he said that AI can help transform millions of lives in healthcare, education and agriculture. But we must ensure access for all. But what is one of AI's biggest fears? Job loss. People worry AI will replace workers, automate industries and wipe out entire careers. But what was Modi's response? He said that technology doesn't destroy jobs, it transforms them. Meaning AI will not eliminate work, but it will change the way work looks like. Of course, new skills will be needed, and India is investing in skilling and reskilling programs. All in all, AI isn't just replacing humans, it's enhancing human capabilities. His call to action is that governments and businesses must invest in AI-driven education so workers evolve with technology. But AI is power hungry. Training massive models consumes as much electricity like some small countries. So Modi's vision is that AI must be sustainable, both environmentally and in efficiency. Having said that, India and France have already partnered on clean energy projects such as the International Solar Alliance. So AI must become as energy efficient as the human brain, which creates poetry and designs spaceships using power less than a light bulb. So Modi made it clear, India isn't just adopting AI, it's also building it. He also said that India has the world's largest talent pool. And not just that, India has already built the world's largest digital public infrastructure for over 1.4 billion people. So India is developing its own AI models made for Indian languages and diverse communities. And public-private partnerships will provide affordable computer power for startups and researchers. And here's the big news. As per reports, India has just proposed to host the next global AI summit. If confirmed, India would only be the fourth country to host a summit on AI safety and regulation. This of course is a major step towards becoming a global AI leader. But here's what matters the most. Who will set the rules for AI? Will AI be controlled by a few corporations and powerful nations? Or will it just be a tool for the many and not just the few? And what were Modi's final words? Machines will not decide humanity's future, humans will. So should AI be governed globally or left to corporations? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.